Alright, no time like the present, ladies and gentlemen. I am so dang excited about getting into this torch. We've waited so long for it, but I am really hoping that it is worth the wait because the cost of it, it was not cheap in the slightest, coming in at like £700. I know, absolutely ridiculous. I could have gotten one way cheaper, but it only did 120,000 lumens, and I thought, if you're gonna go big, you've got to go the biggest. And you guys voted for me to go for the 200,000 version, so let's take it out because it comes in a, whoa! Talk about packaging! That's insane! Wait, what? It comes in a presentation box. Look at the size of that thing. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Wow. Oh! Wow, first of all, flipping heck, that is freezing cold. It's just made out of complete metal. It is ice cold to the touch. It is so heavy, but look at the state of that. Oh, if you are new around here, click that subscribe button because we are going to have some fun shenanigans with this thing. I genuinely cannot get over the scale of this thing. So let's compare it to a 1000 lumen torch, like so. And the weight of this thing, oh my goodness, I'm glad I'm going to the gym. Torch to the side for a second. I can't believe how nice this packaging is. It comes in like a full presentation box. We've got 2 years warranty at 200,000 lumens, and it goes 1,600 meters, which is a pretty far distance. But when you get inside it, look at this, it's so professional. We've got like the world's longest charging plug. Inside this box is a shoulder strap to be able to carry it with. That's how heavy this thing is. Absolutely unreal. So let's get it plugged in by screwing this thing off the back and revealing a Type-C USB. Plugging it in, which kind of somewhat doesn't fit because of the rubber around the edging. But let's see if it works. By getting some juice in it. And do we have power? I thought some fan would come on or something, but instead just a red LED light came on the top. And this stage is probably going to take a while.